I'll be ready.
I'll call you on my way.
Okay.
All
right, bye. Bitches go time. Happy 2021, you guys. It's your girl Raven, and I am back with another YouTube video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I really hope that you guys are feeling this look. I really had a lot of fun doing this. This video is going to be a bit different because it's not going to be so in-depth like a tutorial. I just want to talk to you guys and talk to you all about 2021, what is on your agenda. Sorry, my camera died and I'm like messing around with the settings, so it might be a little bit different. But yeah, I just want to know what you guys have on your agenda for 2021 as far as your hopes, goals, your dreams. What are you manifesting? What are you getting excited about? Yeah, let's just talk about it. 2020 was obviously one for the books, needless to say, but for me it wasn't as bad as it was for a lot of people, and I feel like I'm very blessed and I'm very fortunate for that. But also it's all about your perspective and your outlook on life. So this camera has about 7% left. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off so we can jump right into the video. But yes, happy 2021. I'm so happy to be here with all 1,500 of you. Thank you so much for tuning in, for liking, subscribing. Let's go ahead, let's get into it, let's talk, let's blend, let's go. Alright, babe, so like I said, this is going to be a little bit of a different kind of video. I just really wanted to talk to all of you, kind of welcome you into my life a little bit, give you some updates on what's happening with me, share some goals and things that I have for the new year. So if you are familiar with me and my channel, you may have come over here from my domestic violence story. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about that because of the response that I'm getting from that video. It is my top viewed video and definitely something that gets commented on the most frequently. So because of that, I was feeling a little bit weird as far as, you know, my channel hitting 1,500 subscribers. I was just like, I shouldn't even say anything. I shouldn't really celebrate. I shouldn't post because I didn't earn those followers. That was a very dramatic situation, and that's not something that, you know, I thought would be like the reasoning for my channel to grow. I thought that this would be more of like beauty content, fashion things, maybe some business advice, yada yada yada. So I was really beating myself up about it, and I actually talked to my therapist about that. And, you know, after just kind of getting it off my chest, I was like, you know what, forget that. Forget that. You earned this. You worked hard for this. You did all of the editing and put in all of the time and the work that it takes to run a YouTube channel. If you guys hear a bunch of ruckus in the background, I am so sorry. My cat is just doing the most, but that is nothing new. But anyhow, like I said, I was just feeling really bad about it, and I snapped out of that because I put in all of the work that is required to start and run and just push a YouTube channel. So I don't think it's really fair for me to neglect myself from celebrating that and acknowledging those things. So I chose to have a completely different perspective on that. I'm so sorry. I'm like swallowing my spit and it probably sounds disgusting. Wow, yeah, you guys are really getting to know me. I don't even plan on editing this because why not? But yeah, because that video is the most viewed, it's just, like I said, it was a very traumatic situation, and it's not something that I am necessarily proud of. But at the end of the day, it is helping other women. It's helping them kind of cope if they've been through a similar situation. If they're going through it currently, it's kind of helping them to see the light at the end of the tunnel. Like, girl, get up out of there, recognize those red flags for what they are, and just go ahead and get up out of there and go live your life, sis. Nobody is worth losing your sanity and your happiness over. So yeah, bump that. But anyways, how are you guys? What are you guys gonna do for your New Year's? I mean, I guess it's after the holidays by now when the video goes up. But yeah, what did you do? Like, did you celebrate with friends, with family? Were you on some virtual-ish? Some friends and I, it was a very small gathering. We just kind of kicked it at the house. Played board games, Cards Against Humanity, my favorite drinking game. If you play Cards Against Humanity, you already know it gets a little crazy. You definitely kind of get to know people and their dark, twisted side, so I really like that game. I'll say this. So my homegirl, she brought over her little boo thing, and if you want to test the waters with your boo and your friends group, bring them over and have them play Cards Against Humanity, because if their sense of humor is like on the same level as you and your friends, you already know, you can make somebody laugh, you pretty much golden. And speaking of dating anybody, are you guys in relationships? Are you dating anybody? What's your relationship plans for 2021? How did y'all survive this pandemic if you weren't booed up? It was kind of rough, right? Some nights it was just dang, I miss dating. I miss, the experience of getting to know someone. I don't know. That was my jam. I became a serial dater when I lived in LA, pre-pandemic days, but as of now, I'm not dating anybody or really necessarily seeing anybody. I'm just kind of kicking it, I'm cooling it. I'm taking it really slow, but at some point, I'm a Pisces girl. At the end of the day, I'm a lover and I am going to want to get back out there. So that's another thing with domestic violence survivors. You can rebuild your life. You are allowed to date. You are allowed to see other people. There's so many people on that video that honestly, it is negative to be don't invite men over, don't go out, don't trust men. You know what? One bad apple don't make up for all of the men in the world. You feel me? And same thing goes for women. Non-binary, it goes for everybody. The only thing I would say is just, recognize red flags for what they are and just trust your gut and take it slow. There's no need to rush for anything. I'm 28. I'll be 29 in February. And it's girl, back when you were a kid and you thought that you would be married and have kids and all this stuff at 21, 25, girl, you need to take all the time that you need and just live your life, sis. I'm trying to tell you. I'm really excited for what 2021 has in store. I just started my second business. It's a luxury-based hair business, a wig company. So I'm so excited to do that. I'm doing it with my business partner, Tikva. She is amazing. She is so talented on especially when it comes to the back end of things like marketing and managing and social media and stuff like that. She's a godsend. I'm so happy that I came in contact with her. I'm so blessed and grateful for it. But yeah, I want Marie KIRK to go up, my cosmetic business. I want my hair business to go up. I'm just trying to thrive out here in these streets, y'all. I want to thrive. But yeah, eventually I do want to be able to share that with somebody other than my cat, who is sitting here just crawling all over me, child. I don't know if she think I'm just her human jungle gym or what the dealio is, but mama just be getting her workout, climbing all over me on a daily basis, and I am just not here for it. She is shedding. There's hair everywhere. Her claws are sharp. Girl, she literally has her hind legs up on the bed and is stretched out across my lap, full on downward dog position. And I just want to know if I can subscribe to Mama's yoga class. That's it. Y'all probably looking at this part dang, when was the last time you seen a Mac Studio finish foundation? Girl, this is a throw bike, right? Goodness. But anyhow, and also let's talk about health too. 2021, I really want to focus on my health all the way around. I started focusing on it and taking it seriously. Ooh, sorry, I hope that wasn't all loud. If it was, my bad. But 2020, I started really focusing on my health and taking it very seriously. And I just want to continue to do that in 2021. And I want to go into the year. I'm going into it healthy, but I want to come out even healthier mentally, physically, emotionally, just getting stronger every day. I'm trying to rebuild my life back, trying to make new business moves, building new relationships. It's just a lot. I'm really rebuilding myself as a person. My whole life got turned upside down last year, and now I'm coming out of the rubble from it. So it is just time to really focus on me, rebuild me, do me for me. And yeah, I really hope that you guys are on the same. And You know, if you are, tell me again, what are some things that you are trying to accomplish this year? I feel like it's going to be a good year for everybody, and especially the underdogs who have been kind of, you know, staring with a little bit of an envious, a little jealous eye a little bit when everybody else is flexing and finessing on social media. You know, the ones that feel a little bit left out, the ones that's like, dang, I've been pushing my art and my creativity for a minute, sucking their teeth in the back. Like, it's our time, y'all. It's time for the underdog to come out on top. I'm really gassed up about what this year has in store. I know they say come in quietly, don't look at nothing, don't touch nothing, but I think it's safe, sis. You made it through 2020. I think you're safe. But that's just my little, you know, opinion on the matter. I took a little break there just to give you guys like 5 seconds to breathe. If even that long, I don't know what else to talk about. Don't worry, y'all, we are getting closer and closer to the end of this video, but there's going to be some hair in this part, so I really think that you want to stay tuned. But, I mean, tell me some good things. Like, tell me some good things that happened to you last year in 2020. Think of some things that you are really proud of, some things that you are so happy that you accomplished. I don't know. Tell me, like, did you guys get any pets? Do you have pets? I only have a cat. We have 2 dogs in the house too, but my cat, she's a tabby, and an ex-boyfriend of mine actually got her from me 3 years ago, almost 3 years ago in May. So yeah, she's my little baby girl, my little Tiggy. Tigger is her name. We call her Tiggy the tabby. Ricky Tiki Tabby, but she just chills, and I'm really happy and looking forward to being able to spoil her. I feel like I've kind of given her the bare minimum, like dollar store cat food and supplies, like what I could afford for a little bit. But now that I'm, you know, just rebuilding and getting better and doing better, I'm happy that I could get her some things. I got her like new toys, and I got her this really cute cat condo that she just climbs up on, and she surveys and looks at everybody, judges us, all the peasants in her household. You know, this is her house. She pays all the bills and things to live here. So it's her role. We're just living in it. But yeah, ooh, here we go, girl. Okay, I told you, just stay tuned because we are getting to the hair. I think this might be my favorite part of the video. I don't know, it was something about this hair transformation that just had me like, yes, queen. Give them a look. Give them a look, queen. Slay. So I don't know. I guess I'll shut my big mouth and just let you guys kind of sound off in the comments. Like I said, we are at the end anyway. So yeah, tell me something good. Stay tuned. Keep on watching. Alright, babe, so this is the final look. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. I really like this look. It is really giving me like young Miami kind of vibes with this wavy hair. But yeah, I really like the way that this look turned out. If you guys did as well, again, please be sure to leave a comment. I love talking to you guys. You can always hit me up on Instagram. It's at RavenXMarie. I will link it down below for you. But yes, this is my New Year's Eve glam. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video too. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. Let's just chit chat a little bit. Tell me all about your goals. What are you doing for the New Year's? I want to hear all about it. So yes, honey, I am ready for the evening. So I am just wearing some black like leather kind of material joggers with this look. And so this whole little setup is a vibe. I put my hoop earrings in, I got my nails did. I am definitely feeling it. So again, happy 2021 to all of you babes out there. Thank you so much for a beautiful 2020. I know it was a bit crazy, girl, but we made it through. We did the damn thing. And so yes, I'm just so happy to be here with all of you. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next year with a new video. Bye.